First, your injection molded project starts with program management. Your new project will be assigned a dedicated project management team focused on keeping your project on time while ensuring all tasks are completed. This includes upfront engineering support by our design engineers. Our design engineers are toolmakers by trade and contribute over 150 years of combined plastics tooling and injection molding experience for an efficient design for manufacturing analysis. Are you asking, how does DFM benefit me? Well, this analysis drives the decisions made for fabricating your tool that ultimately affects the production and quality of your product. Since our engineering department is located right in our tooling facility, these designs could be walked, but they're emailed to our journeyman toolmakers for fabrication. Our toolmakers operate CNC hard machining centers, die sink EDMs, and wire EDM to fabricate new tools in our full-service tool shop. We are unique in that we have dedicated R&D centers and process engineers for setting and sampling new injection molds, establishing molding processes, and producing first article inspection reports for approval, aiding in a speedy transition to full production. So this all sounds great, but we bet you are asking, I need to make sure my product matches my quality requirements. No problem, we have you covered. We've implemented validation protocols that follow IQ, OQ, PQ that meet the ISO 13485 certification guidelines. Crescent is also FDA and ITAR registered. Wow, your new mold is complete and Crescent received your glowing seal of approval to move to production. To make this transition a snap, our production facilities, general molding and cleanroom molding, house horizontal and vertical injection molding machines supported by collaborative robots, robotics, and automated work cells. But we don't stop there. We also provide comprehensive kitting, assembly, and secondary operations at a competitive pricing for a manageable manufacturing solution. You have learned that Crescent Industries reduces the supply chain by offering project management, engineering, new tooling fabrication, quality validations, and full production, which presents a distinct competitive advantage of speed to market for your product. Visit our website at crescentind.com.